thousand things. Give me silver chains, I turn it to gold. Small but always been bold. Since the day my moon told me she got my back. She never slacked, so I didn't wear a frown. Beautiful black queen, her little one.
Another beautiful day in the Gambia. My name is Octavia, and I am here at the Smiling Coast of Africa.
Also known as the Queen Bee.
Yes, Queen Bee.
Veggies. Okay.
Word crown too. Remember them days when it was just us two? My view.
Welcome to the Gambia. Today we were talking about the importance of ocean water. So prior to the 19th century, the value of sea air was well recognized as an important thing. Sea air is charged with healthy ions that allows our body to create more oxygen and allows us to absorb more oxygen. So the lack of oxygen is what causes illness in this, and the scientific community is known as oxidative stress. And because of that lack of oxygen in our system, we're able to come down with horrible diseases, all types of things, overgrowth of yeast, which can manifest into many different disorders, as well as even serious ones like HIV and herpes. Sand has minerals that our body requires, like sulfate and magnesium. So being at the beach, it naturally boosts our immune system. And as we immerse ourselves in the seawater, we absorb all of these wonderful nutrients through our skin, which is the largest organ of our body. So not only is a vegan diet and herbs necessary for a healthy lifestyle, so is being among nature actually, which God provides. And we are here today having our feet in the lovely Atlantic Ocean, which the Gambia has easy access to, as you can see. So the Atlantic Ocean has a pH of approximately 8.14, which is definitely alkaline, which our body needs. It also has an ideal sodium content. Not only that, it's also antiseptic because of the sodium and iodine content. So because of that, the salt water. So with that being said, the salt draws water to the surface of the airways and clears them up. So any respiratory illnesses, any pulmonary disease, it would be a great benefit to dive in the Atlantic Ocean and clean that out. So with that being said, it obviously clears up the sinuses and immediately removes excess mucus that's at the surface of our chest. Draws it out so that it can flow right out. And scientific research has also proven that it cleans our and rids our body of pathogens naturally. So we should never be driven away from the beach. This is actually the cure place. This is somewhat of a cure to all the madness that we're suffering from right now in the world. And it even helps to eliminate tumors.
Of the world was through you. I learned some things through that. Scratch my back, I got yours. You sure? Of course. I am TV, so watch me. Kick your shoes off. Old paws right at the door, and I guide you to the motherland. Police brutality, yeah, they say it's law and order. That same law snatch your son from his precious daughter. Mass incarceration devastating our nation. Sit and pray, I decay, but I just go get it. Black queen is a luxurious life, but a dream. To be successful, it seems like one skin has to be the color of cream. If not, then why did Martin have that dream? I perceive they make sure a house divided is where a